Next stop, Queen. Queen Station, arriving at Queen. Doors will open on the right. Next stop, Queen. Queen Station, arriving at Queen. Let's go. Doors will open on the right, 'cause you are triumphant. You are triumphant. You are triumphant. You are triumphant. Now I ain't never seen you looking so triumphant. Isn't it something that I can come in and just find you here, sitting in my mind? Yeah. You know I like time spent between trees and bees. I see you in the knees of my four-bed fathers. Don't know where to go and know that someday I'll find you. 'Cause I ain't never seen you looking so triumphant. Speak of the gods, but claim not their status. Care for the trees, not just shrugging like Atlas. Their courage shone brightly, all day and nightly. Where there is light, there is much shadow too. Don't matter who, them, me or you. If you light bringer, I honor your dark. Just be careful, don't get stuck playing it, 'cause you are triumphant. You are triumphant. You are triumphant. You are triumphant. And we say hallelujah. And we say hallelujah. And we say hallelujah. And we say hallelujah. Just turn your lights down low, and maybe I'll find you. 'Cause the light of the world is within us. The light of the world, the light of the world, the light of the world is within us. Now I ain't never seen you looking so triumphant. Now I ain't never seen you looking so triumphant. Key change. Now I ain't never seen you looking so triumphant. Now I ain't never seen you looking so triumphant. 'Cause the light of the world is within us. The light of the world, the light of the world. The light of the world is within us. The light of the world, the light of